I paid my woman half my money at the general store. I said, now buy a little groceries and don't spend no more. Then she paid $10 for a 10-cent hat and bought some store-bought cat food for a mean-eyed cat. When I give her $10 more for a one-way ticket, she was mad as she could be. Then I bet 10 more that if she ever left, she'd come crawling back to me. This morning and I turned my head, there wasn't a cotton picket thing on her side of the bed. I found a little note where her head belonged. It said, dear John, honey baby, I'm long gone. When I heard the whistle blowing and the big wheels a turning, I was scared as I could be. I put on my overalls and I headed for town. I'm gonna bring her back with me. Station if he'd seen her there. I told him all about her pretty eyes and long blonde hair.